Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you here how you can enable Face ID on Binance app. First up, open your Binance application and then here go to home section and then tap on the logo at the top left-hand corner of your screen. Now here you will now go to a profile page and then tap on your profile name at the top. And then here you'll find this on your account center. And then basically you just have to select the security, which is in the second option. Once you selected the security, here you can then set up your security, passkeys and authenticator app, email, password, or PIN or phone number. Now we're going to select the passkeys and then tap on add passkey. And then here you should have to enter the verification code that's sent to your email. And as you can see, add passkey, no need to remember a password, works on all of your devices and keep your account safe. So here I'm going to tap on continue button. And here an option shows up. As you can see, choose a device for your passkey, USB security key, use a different phone or tablet or this device. I'm going to select this device. And from here, you can basically enable your Face ID or you can use the fingerprint. So once done, it will now add it to your passkeys. So basically, you can enable the Face ID if it's enabled also on your phone settings. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.